check out our shirt on Teespring.
Hey folks, guess what? You guys are so lucky today. I'm opening a 2021 Gypsy Queen pack. It comes with 6 cards per pack. Major League players. I kind of like the old cigarette style. I don't know why there's tape on it when I bought it, but it is factory sealed. Words. There's also a video of him being a cheater and apologizing for his actions. Nothing really exciting about this. I don't know. What do you think? Like and subscribe, do mirror next time, but not bad for 6 cards, but oh well. I don't know. Let me know what you think. What kind of teams you like, and maybe do better next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.